Hey everyone! Want to learn English in a fun and easy way? Movies are a great way to improve your listening, vocabulary, and pronunciation. In today's video, I'll share the top 5 beginner-friendly movies to help you learn English. But before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps, and you won't miss out on more fun English learning content. Alright, let's get started. First up, we have Finding Nemo. This is a fun animated movie with simple and clear dialogues. The story is about a little fish named Nemo who gets lost, and his father goes on an adventure to find him. The language is easy to understand, and the visuals help you follow the story. Next, we have The Lion King. This classic Disney movie has slow and clear speech, which makes it perfect for beginners. It also teaches important life lessons and has amazing songs that can help you learn new words in a fun way. Number 3 on our list is Toy Story. This is a great movie to learn everyday English conversations. The characters speak in a friendly and simple way, making it easy for beginners to understand. If you love magic, you'll enjoy Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. While it may be a little more challenging, it's still great for beginners because the characters speak clearly. Plus, it introduces you to common English words and phrases in a magical way. Last but not least, The Incredibles. This movie is full of action and fun dialogues. It's great for learning simple English sentences, and the story is exciting, which helps you stay engaged while learning. That's it for today. Watching movies is a great way to learn English while having fun. Try watching with subtitles first, then without them as you improve. Which of these movies is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun ways to learn English. See you in the next video.